Hey there, Aquamen and women. This is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the E-Prosman Inflatable Two-Person Kayak. It's got about 700 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. It's also got Amazon Prime, which means free delivery for you, and seen here in the color blue. This comfortable and stable tandem kayak is made of high-quality materials. The tubular I-beam floor of the inflatable kayak is equipped with a moisture-proof cover in the front and rear, which not only increases buoyancy and tracking ability, but also brings greater comfort. Its unique cockpit design increases the space and comfort for the people in the boat. And the kayak's lengthwise bar base provides extra stability. The 5 air chamber system is made of sturdy, thick, abrasion-resistant PVC, which is resistant to salt water and oil. The kayak can be inflated and deflated quickly, which is very convenient. It also comes with a portable storage bag. So with this kayak you can enjoy floating, racing around, fishing, etc. And the kayak comes with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Now let me share with you a little question and answer from the forum. The question is, what is the max weight? And the answer, the two-person kayak has a maximum weight capacity of 507 pounds. Well, there you go. As an avid kayaker myself, I can tell you that these inflatable kayaks are a lot of fun, especially for kids, and if you can get them on some open water that has small waves to bounce around on. They're also good for floating around, and the open top design is good for some fishing too. And at about 500 pounds capacity for 2 people, you can imagine that they're not really suitable for a lot of extra gear if you're going on a long camping trip. But if you're just floating around on a lake or going down a deep river, this is perfect. Nice and light and fun, easy in, easy out, easy to empty if you happen to flip over, and it'll float no matter if it's upside down or not. So check this out. So like I said, it's available through Amazon Prime, which means free shipping. You'll be on the water in no time, and I think you're gonna love it.